What's up guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am now working on AC blowing hot air concern and now I am removing front bumper assembly because of huge spill of AC refrigerant near AC condenser. As expected, zero amount of AC refrigerant have been found upon AC system recovery using AC machine. This is Honda Pilot 2020 and still under warranty at this time. Upon pre-checkup, I confirmed air coming out from all AC vent is not cold and the AC compressor clutch does not engage. Before AC machine recovery, I pressed both low side and high side valve, filler valve, and confirmed there was no AC refrigerant in the system. At this point guys, I have to refill little amount of AC refrigerant in the system in order to locate the leak. And here it is. I noticed underneath the front bumper an oil leak, but I cannot pinpoint where the leak is coming from. That is why I am now removing the front bumper to find out where the leak is coming from. This time-lapse video can still show you how to remove step-by-step Honda Pilot front bumper assembly. Okay guys, this is it. I already removed the front bumper and I already recovered the AC gas. Okay, the AC refrigerant in the system we already take out from the system, and here is the pipe. It is already damaged. I don't know how it get damaged, but this pipe is touching here on this front bumper frame. Okay, so this is the root cause of the problem. The AC refrigerant is leaking here. As you can see, there's so many mark here. As you can see, the AC refrigerant spilled here. Here also, you can see that here. Yes, and even here, see, it's totally, the leak is totally huge because of this pipe damage. Okay, so how it get damaged, I don't know yet, but for sure this car has no
accident. Maybe it was damaged because this pipe is touching here and vibrating every time the car is moving in any road. So it is touching here, grinding little by little, and until it reaches inside the pipe and leak, and now it has leaked. Okay. And this is the new pipe I ordered. It was already approved and now arrived just today. This is Pilot 2020, a new car. And also take note guys, while removing the front bumper, you have to take care also of this. You have to take care of also of this radar. It is sensitive and also very expensive, and it is not also easy to align. Okay. So this pipe shouldn't be here. It should be at least yes, like that. It should be at least like that. So for sure, it when assembling in the manufacturing, it is already formed like this. So there was no accident, no any sign or mark of accident. I check also the history, so this will be claimed as warranty. Okay, so let's start to replace it. I'm going to start removing it and replace with a new one.